In which country can you find the original Mona Lisa painting? France. Which planet has the largest, most visible rings? Saturn. Who was the first US president? George Washington. What gas do humans and animals exhale? Carbon dioxide. Which continent is the Amazon River mainly located in? South America. How often does a leap year generally occur? Every 4 years. What is the primary setting for the play Romeo and Juliet? Verona. What state of matter is steam? Gas. Which small country is entirely surrounded by Rome, Italy? Vatican City. In which continent is Brazil located? South America. What is the invisible force that pulls things towards the Earth? Gravity. What is the result of multiplying 8 by 8? (64). What type of big cat has black stripes on an orange coat? Tiger. Which famous singer is known as the King of Pop? Michael Jackson. What large animal is the fastest in the ocean? Sailfish. Which continent is the country of China located on? Asia. What ancient structures were built as tombs for pharaohs in Egypt? Pyramids. What is the primary element that makes up a diamond? Carbon. What was the name of the spacecraft that carried the first men to the moon? Apollo 11. Which ocean is located between Europe and North America? Atlantic Ocean. How many minutes are in 1 hour? 60 minutes. What famous painter cut off part of his own ear? Vincent van Gogh. Which organ do we use mainly for breathing? Lungs. Which popular dish originated in Japan? Sushi. Which fruit is famous for being yellow and growing in bunches? Banana. What is a four-sided shape called? Quadrilateral. What is the name of the main school of magic in the Harry Potter series? Hogwarts. What is the capital city of Japan? Tokyo. Which metallic element is used in old thermometers? Mercury. Which currency is used in most European Union countries? Euro. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. Who is famous for developing the electric light bulb? Thomas Edison. Which land animal is the largest? Elephant. Which sport is played with a bat and a small hard ball? Baseball.
Who is generally considered the first female ruler of England, Queen? Queen Elizabeth I.
Which part of the body is protected by the rib cage? Lungs and heart. Which insect produces silk? Silkworm. Which famous fantasy world was created by J.R.R. Tolkien? Middle-earth. Which large city in Canada is famous for its tall CN Tower? Toronto. What is a straight line that connects 2 points on a circle called? Chord. What invention allows you to communicate instantly over long distances? Telephone. Which mountain range is Mount Everest part of? Himalayas. The city of Mumbai is a major city in which country? India. What is the chemical symbol for the element oxygen? O. Which musical instrument has 88 keys? Piano. Which actor played Captain America in the Marvel movies? Chris Evans. At what temperature does water boil? Celsius? 100 degrees. What is the study of weather and the atmosphere called? Meteorology. What ingredient makes bread rise and become fluffy? Yeast.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos.
Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.